Welcome to your IsiXhosa lessons with Kolping Mbumba.
Hey, what's up everybody? Kolping Mbumba here. Welcome back to your IsiXhosa lessons. Today's word is umthubi. Umthubi. Now, umthubi is by far the most scrumptious, delicious, mouth-watering light dish AmaXhosa have ever whipped eziko, which is Ntu and Phalo's outdoor kitchen. It is so good that it's only available for a short period of time when a baby cow is born, and it is to be enjoyed while it's hot. Mbi umthubi obandayo bethuna. When a cow gives birth to iThole, it is strictly forbidden to breastfeed its own or any other newborn Thole for the first 3 to 4 days, depending on uba inkomo yehlisa kangakanani. But according to ancient traditional Xhosa milkers, also known as ntsengists, abasengi, the cow must still be milked, and the yellowish milk can be warmed up. It thickens and ngqindililifies when it's ready. Now, umthubi can be enjoyed by itself, or it can be mixed with a secret homemade Xhosa powdery substance called umgubo, wombona, ogutywe elityeni lolola, ndiyadlala elityeni guba. Umthubi is pronounced umthubi. Umthubi. One more time. Umthubi. That's your IsiXhosa lesson for today. Peace out.